Here's how you can navigate through your iPhone with voice. Let me explain to you two main options, how people use it. And if this is your first time here on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the most obvious one is Siri. I have to mention it. That is the way people go around their phone. You can literally just hold down on the side button and tell the voice assistant to open some app, or I don't know, set a timer or check some basic information from the phone, or just go to that app, right? Or return back to the home screen or whatever. So that works, but that is not the only way you can do this. Outside of that, we have a dedicated voice control menu or feature, which is located in your settings app by going to the accessibility, and it is one of the menus right there. So you have to enable it. That means that your phone constantly is using the microphone to listen to you, so it might take up a bit more of your battery power, but it's not like going to be anything huge. But yeah, you have to have it enabled, then you select the proper language, but you have to kind of like get to know it and become familiar with it. And that's why we have the tutorial, which you're going to tap on, and it's going to guide you through the way you can control your iPhone, right? So it's going to tell you how you can see the numbers and all of those things, right, which you might be interested in. You can go through it, but I want you to be familiar with the commands as well, because when you go there, you can see what exactly you're supposed to say to the phone to perform different actions, right? So when you go to, for example, basic gestures, you can tell it to zoom in, or you can tell it to scroll to the top or scroll down, right? Whatever, these are the exact commands that you can use to perform actions of the phone, but control it with the voice. And this is literally just navigating through the iPhone with your voice. Siri was nice because it can do some random things, but this is literally allowing you to control your whole iPhone with just your voice. So that's how you can set it up. You kind of have to get familiar with it, as I said, but it is a great feature. So let me know in the comments below if it helped you out or if you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback, but thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.